In this video, we are going to discuss SavePoint command. The SavePoint command is used to set a point within a transaction to which we can later roll back. Let's see how to create a save point within your transaction and how to roll back to that point. This is your table. You have three columns. First one is account ID, second one is account name, third one is balance, and these are the values. This is your transaction. You are beginning your transaction by start transaction command. Now you are creating here save point sp1. How to create that one? First you write the save point keyword and later you write a name. This can be anything. In this case, this is sp1. After that, you are updating account table with balance, and your balance you're trying to subtract $1,000. So, and account ID is 1 and you're trying to subtract 1,000 from this account balance. This became your 4,000. In second statement, you're updating your accounts table and you're trying to add the balance $1,000 where your account ID equals 2. So you're adding 1,000. Here you are creating second save point and its name is sp2. Since we introduced error here in balance keyword, this statement will give us error. Now we want to roll back to sp2. So whatever the statement after this save point 2, it will roll back. It will undo all the changes made. If there are, let's say, 3 different statements update, it will roll back and it will save only those changes. But we didn't still use how to save these changes. That's why these changes will not be saved permanently, but it will roll back till the save point sp2. Let's see. If you see this 4,000, when we run the script and close the session, these changes will not be stored because we didn't save those changes. It will store its original values. Now, how to save these changes till the save point sp2? I want to save this one and this one, these changes. How to save that one? Let's see what kind of command we are using in our next video.